Khun Korn Waterfall in Chiang Rai, Thailand. What a wonderful sight. Right in the midst of the forest. Hard to know where the source is because no one can get up there, but whatever, it doesn't matter. What a beautiful sight. So peaceful, so calming. People playing in the pool there. And this river goes all the way out to the road, all the way down the mountain. And when you drive into this park, the river runs right by the road. Some of these trees here are huge. Probably virgin forest. Hopefully nobody's ever cut them down before, but it's a beautiful little park, protected by the government, thankfully. Wonderful, wonderful waterfall. If you come to Chiang Rai, this is a must visit.